Cold open. Picture a world where artificial intelligence isn't a threat, but an ally. A world where AI doesn't replace us, but helps us excel. In the blink of an eye, technology has revolutionized our lives. Remember when we used to wait for letters in the mail? Now we get frustrated if an email takes more than a few seconds to load. Our smartphones, once a luxury, are now extensions of ourselves, our personal assistants, entertainment centers, and gateways to the world. From the way we communicate to the way we work, learn, and play, technology has transformed our behaviors and expectations. It's not about replacing us, it's about enhancing us. Just as the light bulb didn't put candle makers out of business but created a world where we could work and play long after sunset, AI won't replace us. It will unlock a future where our potential is limitless. So buckle up, because we're not just surviving in this brave new world, we're thriving. And remember, we're not being replaced, we're evolving with AI. Before we sign off, don't forget to show your support. A like goes a long way. And if you want to keep up with the future, hit that subscribe button. Until next time, this is Tech House signing off.